Join us today to learn how you can fix up broken steps and leveling your stairs evenly. First, let's focus on the first issue that we presented. We applied a strong adhesive to the loose or broken stone, and then we pour on cement. Spread it out evenly, because no one wants unleveled stairs. For added security, use clamps to hold the stone in place while it cures. Your steps will be safe and sturdy in no time. But remember that leveling your stairs evenly is crucial here. Make sure you don't miss any corner without using cement. Once you're done with cement, you go on and pour on concrete resurfacer. The liquid helps to fill in cracks, smooth out the surface, and provide a new, even layer of concrete. It is typically done to repair or resurface damaged or worn-out concrete steps. And once they're set, you'll have sturdy stairs. What an awesome transformation, right? Now let's get those stairs leveled and safe with this easy method. If a step is too low, add a thin layer of plywood or shims to even it out. And then pour on some cement to level it up. Secure everything with screws by adding an oriented strand board. Repeat the process with other stairs and it's all done.